put those hands together like that. I know that I've been changed. I'm not the same. I don't do the things that I used to do since I've been born again. He put a run in my feet. There's a joy within me. Hey. There's a joy within me, and I'm not. I'm so glad the Lord came in and He made me anew. I can feel His anointing. I can feel His power too. I was headed for a dead-end road until the Lord came and saved my soul. See you wave your hand if you know how you've been born. I looked at my hands, they look new. Look at my feet, they did too. I started to walk, had a new walk. Started to talk, had a new talk. Been born, been born, been born. Do you know it? Been born. I gotta leave this thing alone, but I remember where I come from. I remember when He saved me, He delivered me, He brought me out. Woo! I was messed up. Anybody in here, you were messed up, and you know it was nothing but the grace and the mercy of God that brought you this far. Come on, yeah! This far. Aren't you glad that you're not the same? Old things have passed away. Behold, all things become new.